Corvette time. This one's a beauty. Daytona yellow 1969 Coupe. Of course, T-top car. Now this is the original color of this car. Would have started out Daytona yellow from Chevrolet back in 69. 984 paint code. Interior is a ZQ4, so that is black vinyl interior. Still the way it is now. This car did go through restoration process as far as paint and other miscellaneous work, and then was refreshened. Well, first of all, let's back up. Restoration paint, that was done in about approximately 2000. There's some receipts that'll go along with the car, and then had some kind of freshening of some engine service, tune-up, plugs, wires, that type of stuff, and that was in approximately 2006. So, and like I said, there is receipts that go along with that. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of the car, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, and that's going to take you right to our website where you can check out the still pictures. Paint on this car is still in very nice shape. First of all, I want to show you this chrome up front here also. Chrome looks good. It's believed to be an original mile car. I cannot confirm or deny that. The fact that the miles do not stay on the title after they get to be a certain age. And we'll check that out in a little bit. I believe it was in the 30,000, 35,000 mile range. One thing I did notice on the paint, I don't know if I can get it to show up. There's a little bit of a star. There you can see it. It's been touched up a little bit. One little touch up in the passenger rear, but overall paint shows very well. Interior is very nice in this car too. Also nicely equipped 350 underneath the hood. That does have power steering, AC power brakes along with it, and that is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. You can see there. I've had the radio working. That worked great. Headlights will pop up and down. Those work good. The windshield wiper door and the windshield wiper were in op, FYI. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I doubt I'll be able to hardly find that spot back here where I was talking about touch-up. There it is. Right there. So again, pretty clean car if I'm looking that hard to find up little touch-up spots. Rally wheels. BF Goodrich, plenty of tread left on those also, and you can see that in the still pictures also. 69 is an awful good year as far as body on these. Rear chrome bumpers, luggage rack. Now it does have a couple extra floor mats that were with it, and I took those out so I can show you the carpet, the T-tops and T-top bags, and then this is a booklet with the receipts and what have you in it, and then also kind of a owners or repair or kind of maintenance book that goes with them, big thick ones. Remember, pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And again, you look up and down the driver's side here, pretty much matches the passenger side. One little touch-up spot. I don't even know if I can get those to show up if you can see it there. They're so small, and like I said, touched up very nicely. You can tell this is a well taken care of car. Previous owner had this for approximately 20 years. Decided it was time to move on and let somebody else enjoy it. Sorry, I said 35,000. It was 25,881 is what the odometer shows. Again, can't confirm or deny that as being original, but it was believed to be. And this car is in awful nice shape. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a look underneath the hood. Of course, this has a removable glass. I believe it is. There's a tray that will hold that if you took it out. Never messed around and taken one of those out, just the T-tops. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. Run those headlights up too. And they come up quick. They're already up there. And it looked like all the gauges worked, I could tell before, except the clock. The light you see is the seatbelt light, since I don't have that on. Again, a 4-speed car. Like I said, headlights up. I'm going to flip those back down. We're going to pop the hood so you can check that out also. Just want to let you know that they do go up. So pop those down. See how well they work already down. And let's get this hood open. Alright, you see how nice and tight it is under here too. So 350, 300 horse, numbers matching, original engine, AC car. We do have technicians in our back shop. They do an inspection on these. They set the air, did blow cool. Signal, power steering, power brakes, AC, 350, 300 horse, compared to that 4-speed manual transmission. And no crazy cam, nothing like that. This way you'd expect this thing to run in 1969 like it came off the showroom floor. Although it appears the AC has been updated from the R12. Alright, slip around to the back here, so here in front. Again, no crazy cam, no crazy exhaust. Nice sounding Vette. So there you go, you're looking for a nice Daytona yellow 1969 Chevrolet Corvette. Here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.